Hello everyone, let's talk about the next version of Windows 11, which is now Windows 12 or version 26H2 for that matter. We're talking about version 26H1. So Microsoft has already confirmed Windows 11 version 26H1 with the release of build 28,000 and the Canary channel. But it's not what you think because this is not a big update with new features. Instead, it is an update that includes platform changes under the hood to prepare the operating system for the next generation of hardware, specifically for the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 and the NVIDIA N1X processors, which are expected to ship in new devices in early 2026. Microsoft also confirmed that new features will continue to be developed under the 25H2 branch, meaning that experimental additions and interface changes will still be available first through the dev and beta channels of the Windows Insider program, at least for the time being. Although the company is only providing the official confirmation, reference for version 26H1 had already surfaced in previous insider builds, sparking speculations about possible new features. This announcement now clarifies that version 26H1 primarily serves to enable hardware compatibility for upcoming silicon rather than introducing new improvements. It is worth noting that Microsoft is maintaining the one feature update per year cadence. As a result, the next major release won't arrive until Windows 11 version 26H2, which is expected sometime in September, October in 2026. The company hasn't shared any details about this update yet, and we probably won't hear anything about the next feature update until sometime early next year. As always, some new features might roll out gradually through monthly cumulative updates before the full release. Finally, build 28,000 also include a few fixes for light captions and Outlook, as well as several known issues affecting the start menu and the power settings. And there you go. Now you're caught up with all the information that you need to know about Windows 11 version 26H1. It won't be a feature update. It will only be an update to support new hardware coming early next year. If anything, we should only expect new features for version 26H2 that it should arrive close to the end of the year in 2026. Now, remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.